Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on iPhone. First, understand that Fortnite isn't directly on the App Store. Instead, you'll use cloud gaming services. These platforms stream the game to your device, letting you play without a direct download. You'll need a strong internet connection, like a fast Wi-Fi network or a robust 5G signal, to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience with minimal lag. Let's dive into the specifics. Several excellent cloud gaming services support Fortnite on your iPhone. Xbox Cloud Gaming, for example, includes Fortnite as part of its Game Pass Ultimate subscription. NVIDIA GeForce Now offers both a free tier and various paid memberships, giving you flexibility. Amazon Luna is another great option, accessible with an Amazon Prime membership or a Luna Plus subscription. Each service has its own benefits, so consider which best fits your gaming habits and budget. To get the best Fortnite experience, setting up your iPhone correctly is key. While touch controls are an option, a compatible game controller significantly enhances gameplay. Make sure your iPhone's operating system is updated to its latest version for optimal compatibility and performance. Also, close any unnecessary background applications before you start playing. This helps free up resources and minimizes potential lag, ensuring a smoother and more responsive gaming session. Once your device is ready, simply log into your chosen cloud gaming service and launch Fortnite. Take a moment to adjust the in-game settings for graphics and controls to match your personal preferences and optimize performance. Experiment with different sensitivities to find what feels right for you. Remember to check the description for a link to a great book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals. Enjoy your game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.